This is the fishing vlog part 1. We got Zane. What do you want to say to the vlog, Zane?
Balls.
Nice. Hiking vlog. I mean,
You have a rod?
not hiking. Fishing vlog part 1. Andrew, what do you want to say to the vlog? Oh shoot! Wait, how do I use this?
Do we just go
Turn
in?
to the left.
Push to the left.
I mean, there are hours of like they're closed.
Oh, it's like reverse control. Wait, what?
Left goes left when you're in reverse.
Wait, what's going on?
No, left goes left, right goes right. Yeah. Oh.
Whoa, it's motor
Yeah, it is
controller?
reverse.
Here's the motor.
Yeah, why is this reverse?
Okay, this, yeah. If,
All right, so this is the fishing vlog.
well, no.
Fishing.
There's a bunch
What
of
did you say
dogs
to the
around
vlog, Andrew?
Hey.
What do you have to say to the vlog, Justin?
Chris, you're moving it around while it was locked. Wait, it was locked?
All right, Josh, what do you have to say to the fishing vlog?
Buddha Sam.
Zane, what do you have to say to the vlog? Zane, what do you have to say to the vlog? All right, what about you, Matt? Nice. All right, we're hiking to a fishing spot. The lake is pretty cool. What do you think of the lake?
It's pretty cool.
Justin, what do you think of the lake?
It is indeed a lake. There's a lake.
Cool. Found a fishing spot. We're off of Tailwinded though, from carrying our crap like half a mile. Are you tired,
There's a bench
Justin?
over there if you don't want to fish.
Here is our fishing spot. This fishing spot. Okay, what do you think? What do you think of this fishing spot, Andrew?
It's pretty cool.
Chris, what do you think of this fishing spot?
Pretty cool.
What do you think, Josh? Justin, what do you think of this fishing spot? Then are your arms tired?
No.
Strong.
Andrew, what do you think of this?
Oh, you got it. Fishing vlog. We just got the. Justin's here for me because he's an intelligent man. There are ducks here. Looking for fishes. What do you think of this, Matt?
I love ducks.
Same.
First catch of the day.
Wow, we are very proud of you, Andrew.
Yo.
What'd
Yeah,
you
Justin,
catch?
How do
What'd
you
you
know when it's
catch?
at the bottom? When that happens.
Fishing. We haven't caught anything yet. How is it like catching that seaweed, the premium seaweed? Justin, how's it like catching premium seaweed? Nice. Guys. Hey, what's up, duck? What do you have to say to the vlog? Alright, that duck says hi. Alright, Andrew, what do you have to say to the fishing vlog as of now? We're not catching anything.
No, I know. That means there's.
Andrew, Andrew,
What do they eat?
Andrew, what do you have to say to the vlog? We
Hey,
have caught nothing.
nothing.
Justin, what do you have to say? No fishy. Oh wait, Andrew, don't kill me, please.
I know. No fish.
Doing the native goose chase. And Zane's just watching. Oh damn. Oh my god. We're so bored on the fishing vlog. We failed to catch a single fish, and I got my solo set up over there. So now we're gonna do some squats with Zane. All right, so 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's enough spots. The day.
There's a lot.
Catch of the day.
No, there was a bigger one.
Oh, there was.
Yeah, there was definitely a bigger one.
Zane, would you like to eat some of the catch of the day?
Yeah, I would.
Okay.
You are the mother fucking shit. You are great. You are magnificent. You can do whatever you want to do in this world. Put your mind to it, put your grind to it, and you can do it. Get up, get out, get motivated, get inspired, get your motherfucking shine on today because you can. You are number one. I don't know no 2 or 3, but I know you that one. Period. Don't let nobody, nothing distract you from the grind time. Prime time. It's your time right now. Do whatever it is you need to do. What you say? You was gonna give up. Bitch, you wasn't gonna give nothing up. You was gonna keep striving, keep pushing, keep working, and keep doing your shit. You are great. It's nothing but success in your future.
Oh, did it get tangled?
Alright, Zane. Go and let it loose. Are you ready? No, you didn't let go of it. Wait, where'd it go? Yo, fishing, fishing. What do you have to say?
I'd say
The seaweed. Oh, nice catch.
I was gonna put it back.
You said I had to believe it. I did say that you had to believe it. I will take it.
All right, so haven't caught any fish, but the weather is beautiful. What do you think of the weather, Justin? Okay, he's eating. Andrew, what do you think of the nice weather?
It's nice.
Nice.
I got some more seaweed.
Fishing vlog. Zane, what do you want to say to the vlog? Nice. Still haven't caught anything. Duck, what do you want to say to the vlog? Alright, Duck is memeing on us how we're all failures of a fisherman. Here's my AFK fishing setup. It's pretty lit. I don't have to do jack. My backpack's holding down the rod. Hopefully it's stable and doesn't fall in the water. Alright, Andrew and Justin are still grinding.
Is that a fish?
Chris is just
No, that was just a blade.
having illusions of fishes. Yeah. The weather's nice though, yes, and the water's pretty cool. And then dinner like midday, so that's pretty nice. Eat. Alright, so we didn't catch anything at the end of the day. Wrapping up right now. I'm trying to untangle the stupid cord. Yeah. Kinda sucks, but we plan on going on more fishing trips. So for our first time, this is a nice experience. Yeah, that's all.